All right, so I'm going to show you guys today how to put together the Chainlink straps. So this is our round Chainlink strap pieces here. So it comes with two of these swivel clips, and it comes with this end snap piece that holds it all together. So the first thing you do is you take one of your swivel clip pieces, you take your round piece here, you're going to want to pinch the end here. It's going to make it easier to go through. You're just going to slide it through right here, just like this, okay? Then you're going to take your next piece, you're going to twist this like so, and then push it through the next one. And as you see, you're starting to make a chain link. So you do the same thing. You take your next piece, twist it, slide it in between like this, like that. All right, so you've got one swivel clip and you've got three pieces here. So you just continue to put these through the hole like so, kind of pinch and twist, and then fold. So it works the exact same way no matter what the shape is. You're just twisting it, putting one of these ends through the two looped holes here until you have your desired length. Once you have your desired length, then you take this little snap piece here, okay? And this goes through that last one, and then it goes through your swivel clip here, and you snap it, and you have a completed strap, the desired length that you want. So the strap package comes with 30, and if you want to make that 25, if you want to make that 20, and then if you want to buy an additional 10 links, or if you did that, you can make it even longer than that if you need to. So anyways, that is how you make the chain link strap. So thanks, guys.